Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. If you've been following my channel recently, you'll know I'm having trouble with my Bosch Exxcel 1400 Express. It's a WFO model, but it contains other bits of other washing machines because the PCB went in it, I think. So I think it's, or maybe it's the other way around. I can't really remember what this machine's made out of. I've been having some trouble with this machine recently in that when I put it on a 40-degree cotton cycle, the timer gets stuck down at 1 and it's got a full load of wet laundry in it. So I've tried it on a 90 and it works, I've tried it on a 60 and it works, but I'm going to try it on an Easy Care 40, which was suggested to me as a thing to test. So I've got some sports gear inside it. I'm going to see how that works, see if it goes the whole way through, because it should be hitting the same temperature on the machine. I have bought an element and a NTC sensor, temperature sensor, so I'll replace those in due course, but I just want to see if this will do it in the first place, because it's one of these mystery things that something in the brain of the washing machine isn't functioning correctly. It's not the element, because if it'll heat the water to 90 degrees, that's okay, it's obviously working, but it is something else, so we'll see if this does anything for it. So we'll see if it works on this 40-degree cycle. So it's just at the start, it's taking on water and agitating. I'm not going to sit here watching it for the whole cycle, I've got other things to do, so I'll check in and I'll probably just get to it at the end, and it'll either be stuck or it won't. So yeah, after that wash on a 40-degree Easy Care, it has gone down to 0, it looks okay. It feels to have spun properly and all, so that's a bit of a mystery. It won't do 40 cottons and linens, but it will do a 40 Easy Care. What do you know? If you have any ideas about that, let me know in the comments. I've bought a new element and temperature sensor, so I'll stick them in anyway. Thanks for watching, see you later.